Are you comfortable with traffic jam? Not at all. I feel annoyed. Why does it happen? Because there are too many vehicles on the streets during rush hours, I bet. How often do you sit in a traffic jam? Just every day, when I finish office hour and go back home. What time in a day are you usually caught in a traffic jam? In rush hour at 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. How long does it take to escape from the traffic jam? At least half an hour. What do you do while waiting in a long line? I often glance at my watch actually. Have you ever had any trouble caused by traffic jam? Yes, just yesterday I was late for an important meeting with my clients. How has the traffic situation changed recently? There are more vehicles, which makes traffic jam more and more serious.